If you want to explore a unique discover, the legend, spiritual importance, and unique mystery behind the Bijetwa Mahaviran Hanuman Temple in Sultanpur, Uttar Pradesh, a must-visit site for devotees and mythology lovers. Here's a simple, story-style blog about Bijetwa Mahaviran in Sultanpur, a place full of mystery, faith, and devotion. If you have ever been to Sultanpur in Uttar Pradesh or are planning to, there's one place you shouldn't miss, the Bijetwa Mahaviran Temple. It's not just another Hanuman temple. It's a place where mythology comes alive, where faith feels strong, and where even the land holds a secret. Let's take a simple walk through its story.
Hello friends, today we are going to visit Bijetwa Mahaviran, a very famous shrine.
Going to my brother.
Okay, she is my sister.
We are going to enjoy our summer vacation.
Yes, we are going there, and definitely it must visit place for all of you, and you should visit
Today
this
we all
place.
have collected here all the brothers and sisters, so we are going. And we are going to enjoy.
My two sisters, we are going today, guys. So we are heading towards the Bijetwa Mahaviran right now from home. My house is under construction, as you can see here. So now we are just going.
How to reach? By road, you can easily drive from Sultanpur or Kadipur. By train, the nearest station is Sultanpur railway station. By air, the closest airport is in Ayodhya or Varanasi. When to visit? Try to go on a Tuesday or Saturday, which are special days for Hanumanji. If possible, visit during Hanuman Jayanti to experience the full spiritual energy and festivities.
As you can see the greenery on the way to Bijetwa Mahaviran. It's about 65 kilometers away from Sultanpur. It's situated in Surapur, and throughout the way, you will feel the nature. It gives us inner peace and deep satisfaction.
While going to the temple, the path itself feels like a blessing. Cool breeze kisses the face. Birds sing softly from the trees. Sunlight filters through the leaves, painting golden patterns on the ground. The rustling leaves and distant temple bells fill the heart with a calm joy. With every step, the excitement grows, a sacred energy pulling us closer. The fragrance of flowers, the chants in the air, and the towering temple ahead, all awaken a deep peace within.
So, how do you feel now?
We are feeling very happy.
Just a minute.
Yeah, I'm feeling very happy because we are going.
We are going to Bijetwa Mahaviran with my family. As you can see, my two sisters, one from Amethi and one from Faizabad, came during the summer vacation, and my father is sitting beside me.
We are also listening bhajans because we are going to see the what Hanumanji, God
Bijetwa
Hanumanji.
Mahaviran.
Yeah,
Actually, this place, Manna,
yeah.
this place is known as Bijetwa because it is the place of victory. Bijetwa Vijay.
Oh,
Is a victory place.
okay.
Bijetwa. So that is why we say it Bijetwa Mahaviran, and
Thanks,
Mahaviran is
bro.
Mahavir, Hanumanji temple.
Thanks, bro, for giving us this information because we are not knowing till now. Thank you.
Yes, and it's a very historical place, you can say, historical temple, and
I have heard if you are wishing something there,
Yeah.
your wish will be fulfilled with the bless of God.
definitely if someone goes there, and there are a lot of bells hanging there, and if someone just make a wish,
Yeah.
after completing the wish, whenever the wishes come true, they hang a bell there.
Oh.
Yes, you will see a lot of, and this place has a great significance, mythological significance, and Here's the petrol tanky. Let me take some fuel.
We know for for us, we know that feeding is very necessary for us. That's why the same like our vehicle without petrol it can't move. So we are going to petrol pump.
Okay guys, as we are on the way, so before we reach the temple, let me tell you the mythological story about Bijetwa Mahaviran temple.
Long ago, during the time of the Ramayana, Lakshman, Lord Rama's brother, was badly hurt. Hanuman ji had to bring a special herb called Sanjeevani to save him. On the way, a demon named Kalnami tried to stop him. He dressed like a sadhu saint and invited Hanuman ji to take a bath in a pond. But as Hanuman ji stepped in, a crocodile attacked him. It was actually Kalnami in disguise. Hanuman ji quickly understood the trick and defeated the demon right there. The place where this happened is what we now call Bijetwa Mahaviran, the place where Hanuman ji had a great victory.
बहुत ही खुश है भैया, क्योंकि मैं बिजेतवा मेरा पहली बार जा रही हूँ। मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। मेरे भाई जी हमें दर्शन कराने ले जा रहे हैं।
अरे वाह। अब देखा अब आ गए देखा विजय देता बैठ गए। गाड़ी पंचर होने के उपरांत हम लोग ढाबे पे नाश्ता करते। Guys, we are finally at Surapur और the temple is Mahaviran is only 3 or 4 kilometers away from here. Is the market of Surapur. Now we are nearer to the temple, which is Mahaviran. Is the gate, entry gate.
आप सुन रहे हैं भारतीय राष्ट्रीय सेवा देश की विविधा विविध भारती के विविध अधिकारी से मौजूद विविधा।
If you want to come to this temple by road, then you have to just take the Sultanpur to Kadipur road, and after Surapur, at Surapur Square, you have to take the right turn, and then after going to 2 or 3 kilometers, you have to take again the right turn. And this road is just like the snake, turning again and again. And we are nearer to the temple, and the nearest airport to this temple is the Ayodhya airport. From Ayodhya you can come to Sultanpur, and then after take the taxi or bus to Surapur. If you want to come by train, then you can come to the railway station Sultanpur Junction is called, and after Sultanpur Junction you may take a taxi, or you just take the bus from bus stop Sultanpur, and it will drop you at Surapur, and from there you can get a taxi to Bijetwa Mahaviran. So guys, we are finally very closer to this temple. Guys, we are finally at Bijetwa Mahaviran, and this is the Makri Kund. Makri Kund is a very popular and famous, and it has a very historical significance, mythological significance. I will tell you, After some time, after visiting the temple, I will tell you about it. So, there is my father and my sister. They are standing at the temple. These are the streets of the temple, and this is the historical Makadi Kund.
Inside the temple is a very special statue of Hanumanji. One of his legs is buried deep in the ground. People say that even after digging many feet, the bottom of the idol was never found. No one knows how deep it goes. This has made the place even more powerful and mysterious. Here you can see hundreds of bells hanging everywhere. Each bell is from someone who made a wish and it came true. It's their way of saying thank you to Hanumanji. Some people come just to tie a bell with the hope that their problems will be solved. Every year, a big celebration happens here on Hanuman Jayanti, Hanuman's birthday. Since 1982, this festival has grown bigger each year. Famous singers like Kailash Kher, Anup Jalota, and Malini Avasthi have sung devotional songs here during the celebration.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार वरणो रघुबर विमल जसु जो दायक फलचार बुद्धहीन तन जान के सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्ध विद्या देव हरहु कलेश विकार अतुलित बल धामम शैलादेव धनुज वन किसान ज्ञान नाम लड़य सकल गुण निधान दान राणा मदेशम रघुपति प्रिय भक्तम बात जातम नमामि रघुपति प्रिय भक्तम बात जातम नमामि। We are near the Makadi Kund now. It is very famous and it has very mythological significance.
Here is the historical pond where that battle happened, now called Makadi Kund. Even today, people take a dip in this pond before entering the temple. They believe it washes away their sins and brings blessings. Vijayathwa Mahaviran Temple isn't just about prayers, it's about stories, faith, and a deep connection with something divine. Whether you're religious or just love exploring unique places, this temple is a must visit. You'll feel the power, the peace, and maybe a little bit of magic too. Thanks for watching video. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share to your friends so that I could make more videos like this one for you.